new to online learning? GHC Libraries are here to help. This video will introduce you to some tips and tricks to help as we transition to remote learning. First, get organized. Write down all of your assignments and due dates. Make sure to note any changes to assignments due to transitioning online. Once you know what you need to do, make a prioritized to-do list, starting with the most imminent or important items, moving down the list to items that are not as important or have later due dates. It will also be helpful to find a dedicated study space in your house with minimal distractions. You can also try wearing headphones or earplugs if you have trouble blocking out noise. Another important aspect of remote learning is practicing good time management. Make a regular schedule and stick to it. You might even want to mimic your regular class schedule, marking the time you would usually be sitting in class for working on assignments. Also, make sure you don't spend too long staring at a computer screen. You will begin to lose motivation. Take regularly scheduled breaks, connect with friends via phone or video chat. Go outside for a short walk, play with a pet, or practice a hobby. Make a schedule that works for you. It needs to be flexible or you won't stick to it. Remaining active in your courses is one of the best ways to transition to online learning. If you are not used to online classes, it is easy to feel out of touch with your classmates and professors. Make sure to actively post to discussion boards. Read and respond to your classmates' posts. If you have questions, don't be afraid to reach out to your professors. They are around to help you. Stay in touch with your classmates, form online study groups, and stay updated on what they are doing from home. Following these tips will make the transition to online learning easier and provide you with many of the same interactions you would receive on campus. Lastly, for more resources on transitioning to online classes, please reach out to GHC Libraries at ask@highlands.libanswers.com. We are available virtually and happy to help.